vloggity vlog with your girl Shakera. It's currently 9:45 and I've been sitting in this bathroom for at least 2 hours. I'm not even gonna lie to you. Madison? Anyways, I feel really out of it today. I don't want to do anything. Y'all, hold on. But as I was saying, y'all, I'm really out of it today. I don't want to do anything, and I'm not gonna feel guilty for not wanting to do anything, because I realize like a lot of people, because you're a mom, they feel like you don't need time off, you don't need breaks. Like, hello, I'm human. Like, I'm entitled to feel overworked, I'm entitled to feel drained, I'm entitled to want a me time. And then they want to hit you with the, oh, but you decided to go get kids. So fucking what? It's just like a job. You go to a fucking job every day, but some days you don't feel like going. Hence why you fucking call out. So today's basically a lazy day. And that's gonna consist of me doing skincare. And me being in bed, binge watching my favorite show, Outlanders. And it's so funny because yesterday I planned out for today. So I was supposed to go to Target and also Marshall's. Almost 10 o'clock in the morning. Maybe the mood that I'm in might change. Let's see. But if it does, I'm definitely going to check back in with y'all guys. Hey guys, so I'm about to go on the road right now, but I just received the Amazon package. Today is so freaking hot. It has no business being this hot, and literally a couple days ago it was freezing, and I have the AC on and I feel like it's not doing shit. Oh yeah, I see it. I tried the poppy drink the other day for the first time. I loved it. I got the strawberry lemon, and I just had to get a case from Amazon because why not? So the next thing I got is this Koji soap, and I've been using this for 2 months now. Not this one in particular, the one that I was using was orange, but then when I saw this in pink, and y'all already know how I feel about pink, so I'm like, yeah, I'm gonna try this out. Hey y'all, so today is Friday, and I want to go to Sephora because my best friend's birthday is coming up, and I don't want to wait too long because I'm gonna have to ship it to Jamaica, and it looked like it's gonna freaking pour, which I don't mind because yesterday, y'all, felt like I was in the devil's ass crack. I didn't want to bring Madison with me because I really didn't want to hassle. So yeah, let's go. And I need to fix my fucking camera. Like, this shit is pissing me off because I like to drive and vlog, even though you're not supposed to, but I do it anyway. If I drive and vlog, it's really gonna do the chaka chaka, and I'm not trying to make y'all head spin or hurt. So I need to fix both camera. Like, both my cameras is fucked up. And I don't know if y'all remember in a previous vlog I was saying, like, you know, I broke my camera and I did something stupid. I'm gonna just share with y'all. So a bitch was trying to get the angles, okay? I was making breakfast one day and I decided I want to get some angles. My fucking dumb ass put the camera in the microwave. It wasn't even in there for a second. Y'all ever warm up food and you mistakenly leave the fork in there and it doesn't spark up until like a good 2 minutes? So I'm like, okay, well, that's not gonna happen to the camera because it's only 1 second or less than a second. Bitch.
Man, you stupid bitch.
I be having my moments. I'm not dumb all the time, I promise. But I got to go. I got to go. People on the internet be lying that this smell like ass crack. Like your ass crack. Let's go smell some perfume. Babe, you ever smell this? Smells good. I love it. $29 for that little something there? I don't understand how it's raining and the place is still freaking hot. But I've been using these for a month straight now, and a lot of people say they see a lot of changes to their skin. I don't know if I'm blind. Technically I am, but I don't see no freaking changes with these, and they're almost done. So what I'm gonna do is put them in one freaking container.
Making love to the beat so slow. Making love to the beat, girl, it sounds so slow. I'm in fuck with a G, girl, you already know. I got 100 on me for the night. Shawty, don't you leave for the night. No, you don't know my name.
When I say today drain me,
Oh, Lord have mercy. Today drained me.
that's exactly what I mean. I woke up very late this morning and I just got into doing real house girl shit. And now I'm just chilling and I'm about to read a verse in my Bible, and then after that I'm gonna start reading my new book that I had bought. I didn't start reading it yet because I was trying to finish another book that I was reading. But according to my dad, it's a very good read. He's the one that put me onto it. Conquer Worry and Anxiety. So I'm about to get into that. Madison is asleep for the day. And I couldn't even vlog most of these things because something that would take me 30 minutes would have been 2 hours. So I was trying to get done with everything. So y'all just gonna get a montage, to be honest. I'm running so freaking late for my appointment, y'all. But I just wanted to come in here and say hello because I feel like I haven't picked up a camera in like mad long. But what's ETA? Okay, my appointment's at 10:15. I'm gonna get there in like 10 minutes. Okay, I'm not really late, but I wanted to get coffee first. So yeah, and I know this early in the morning Starbucks line be crazy, so I can't even go to my coffee shop because like that's gonna take me a good 15 minutes. I could actually Tokyo drift my way up there, but I'm not even gonna risk it because the cops over there do not play. Let me connect my music first. And my titties keep hopping out this shit. Why is it taking so long? Oh, Bluetooth off. Damn. Come, we need music. Like, I'm gonna be late, but I still need music. Okay. This is the type of morning I'm having.
Even though I'm legendary, I walked outside and I seen about 10. Booty short song with an STL fitty. Can I get up, reach bitch? Got them pounds in the front of bag.
So y'all got back from my appointment. And I don't know why it's freezing today, but I had to pull out the leather jacket. Like, what the hell? So I could actually go get my coffee right now. But guys, are y'all getting the new iPhone? Because the Apple event happened like 2 days ago. I don't know if you guys watch it, but I always watch it even if I'm not buying a phone. A fun fact, before I became a lifestyle girly, I wanted to be a tech girly, and I still feel like I'm a tech girly at heart. I currently have the iPhone 13 Pro Max. I didn't want to get the 14 because I felt like it wasn't necessary. So I told myself I was going to wait till the 15. But when I saw the colors, I'm like, Apple, be for real. Y'all know I'm going to want the Pro Max. So why would you not give me the Pro Max in a pink? Like, I don't fucking like that. But anyways, I'm going to have to skip the 15 too and wait till the 16. Hey guys, so it's the next day, and yesterday I went to Target, and I'm kind of mad that I didn't take you guys with me. But I picked up a few items because I really needed Swiffer because I haven't mopped in like a whole week. So I'm about to do skincare. I already showered and everything. I also picked up some new skincare products. This is a daily brightness solution. I really like Verse products. The next thing is this sunscreen, and hopefully it doesn't give me a white cast because that's kind of one reason I don't really use sunscreen. And then I had to re-up on my daily hydrating, and this, I freaking live by this. I'm not going to use the sunscreen because I'm really not going outside. Come, mommy got to do her skincare, baby. So I woke up at 5 o'clock, but I gotta be somewhere by 8:30. And I know like the school traffic be crazy. I didn't even brush my teeth yet. I'm just gonna hop straight in the shower to like wake me up. And then I'm gonna brush my teeth, do my skincare, and make myself some breakfast. Well, myself some breakfast. But yeah. I'm gonna use this today, and oh my god, I do not like the smell of it. It's currently 6:08. I need to be on here at least by 7:15. Anyways, let's go make breakfast and then get dressed, because I don't want to dress and then smell like eggs and pancakes.
Dark spot remover, vitamin C, retinol and collagen.
Y'all, it's currently 7:08, and I said that if I did leave out 7, I'll leave out 7:15. So I'm supposed to be leaving out right now, and I gotta take a fucking dookie, y'all. And I also got this to lace up, and this been dirty since Jamaica, y'all. When did I go again? I think it was May or April from that time, and it's now September. But I'm gonna talk to y'all when I get in the car. I'm 4 minutes early, y'all, so I'm trying to hurry up and tie these dang old shoes. Wait, did I remember to take my socks with me? Oh my god, y'all. I'm struggling. Okay, bye y'all. So I'm inside CVS because I have to get my best friend a birthday card. I really wanted to get one from Amazon, but it's not gonna come in time. So I guess I'm gonna have to just settle for one of these. So I secured my friend's birthday card, and I had to get 2 because I really couldn't decide. Like, they're really, really good. And I know she's gonna love them. But I can't even show them to y'all because I think this vlog is gonna be up before she even receives them, and she's one of my biggest supporters, so I know she's definitely gonna see it. But y'all, these cards are like really, really cute, and if someone gave me these cards, I'd probably cry. You know, the girlies be like, I want roses, I want 100 roses, but me personally, I'm not a flowers girly. I hate them shits, because I know if I'm getting flowers for somebody and I go in CVS, the first flowers I see, that's what the fuck I'm picking up. But when it comes to a card, like, you gotta stand in that section for a good freaking 10 minutes. And you gotta read, and you gotta make sure the color scheme is on point. Because my girl, she's a pink lover like me. So I gotta make sure I'm getting the right shit. I don't know if y'all are like me, but if I'm getting a card and the envelope is not the color that I want it to be, I'm going to change it out. I don't care. I'm changing it. Because even one of her cards, it came with a gold envelope. And I was like, nah, my good sis need pink. But yeah, more thought goes into picking a card. I don't even know why I'm rambling about extra shit, because the focus is really about getting my girl her cards.
Not to mention, the thing is falling. He got me also in the trance. Something like a ziplock, but a ziplock. Won't you wrap around my arm like a wristwatch?